Hello YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to use the remote desktop on Windows. So first of all you'll want to open up remote desktop, which is this, and then I already have these ones, but today I'll be showing you how you can connect up to a different computer in your house. So what you need to do first is hold down the window key and R and type in CMD, and now type in IP config. Then here, this is the IP we want, the IPv4 address. That's the IP of your machine. So that's the IP of your machine. To enable remote desktop connection, if you're on Windows 7, it will be in the start menu. If you're on Windows 8, you go into search, computer, you right click, and you click properties, and then here you click remote setting. Now you click on allow remote distance connection to this computer and then you write allow remote connection to this computer here, and now you do this. Now then you click that there and you click OK. Now people can now connect up to your computer. So the computer that you want to connect up to, first of all, what you'll have to do is open up CMD on the computer that you want to connect up to. You type in on their computer IP config, and now here you get the IPv4 address. With that address, you go into remote desktop, and I'll show you here. And then swipe through, getting the IP of the computer that I want to connect up to. So you open up, so I'll show you that again. You go here, and it's this one here, the IPv4, and my one's 192.168.1.78, but everyone will probably be different. And okay, so we're going to go here and I'll show you how to connect up. So the IP of my laptop is 192.168.1.1.96. Now you can type in your username if you want, but it will ask you later, and you click connect here. So I'll type in my password, I'll click connect, and now it will load up. Okay, I'll show you something else. Now I'll show you how to access your computer from anywhere in the world. First of all, you'll have to get your IP address of your internet router. You'll find that by going to Start, and again go to Control Panel, Command Prompt, and now you want the default gateway. Type that, go into now open up a web browser and type that in into your router, into your Wi-Fi search bar, and then I'll get you to here. So now what we're going to do is we want to port forward remote desktop. We'll do this by going into settings. Everyone's will be different, but they'll all have port forwarding. So now we go into advanced, port forwarding. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a new thing, so it's supported. Delete that. Okay, so we're going to make a new one. So first of all, I'm going to do add new game or application. I'm going to name it James Remote. Now click no there. Okay, so here we want it on any, or if you don't have any, do TCP and UDP. It's important you do that. And now here where it says port range and translate to, type in 3389. That's the port number for the that's the port number for remote desktop. So now we've done that, we click apply. So that's done now. So now what I'm gonna do is wait for that to load. So we're gonna do now I'm gonna click on config. Now we go back to here, and now we look for the IPv4 address again. That IP address is the IP of your computer in your router. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here, user defined. Here we're going to type in device IP address. So you're going to type in that. So now that we've typed that in, we click add. Oh yeah, here we have to, I've already added it, so it'll be James Remote. Now we click add. So here, it come up to my computer, I click apply. And now, what we'll type in is, we'll go on to what happens is, if you want to connect up to your remote desktop from anywhere in the world, you'll have to find out the static IP of your computer. Everyone in the world is different. So you type in whatismyip.com. I'm not going to click on it though, otherwise you'll be able to see the IP of my computer. But I don't really want you looking at that. So you'll click enter, and then the IP number that it gives you, write that down somewhere, and then I'll show you what to do after. So after you've done that, what you're going to do is you'll open on any computer. Well, you'll have to leave your computer on to be able to connect to it from anywhere in the world. It won't work if you're not connected, if it's not turned on. So what you're going to want to do now is to connect up to your computer, you type in the IP address you just found on the internet, and then you do this. So I'm just going to write down what it should look like. So we're gonna, this is what it should look like. So you should have your IP, and then after you'll have to put 3389. So say your IP was like and it's have 3389. So that would be the IP of your computer. Everyone's different in this bit, but everybody should have to put that in. Thank you for watching. Please watch the next video. Bye.